Flyers ripped the Sabres 14-3. The Canadians got past the Flames 7-6. Dan Quinn scored 3 times, helping.
Install. My dad wanted to watch the sport, so he installed a TV system. What sounds do we hear? Now that is a short vowel sound. 5 short vowel sounds: A for apple, E for egg, I for igloo, R for orange, and A for umbrella, or I for install. Followed by n. Now that's one word, isn't it? In. Then a st. And then a o, which is often an A on its own. You often hear the O sound. And then all. So we've got that all sound again, which has a double L at the end. All. So we've actually got 2 words here. We've got in and we've got stall. Those are 2 separate words in one. So it's called a compound word. Install. Now, to help us even more, we can identify syllables. So let's see, vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel, that we break it up between the consonants. Or we can look for this pattern, vowel, consonant, vowel. Now, these are just guides. It doesn't always work, but let's have a look. This one's actually quite easy because we actually just break it up between the words. So vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we break it up between the 2 consonants. That's in and stall. Install. Now, how do we spell install? I-N-S-T-A-L-L. I-N-S-T-A-L-L. Install.